All right, so we made it to the scariest part of the build so far, which is the ceiling slash roof. Took the whole thing off, got to put everything back together, and I'm moving some stuff. So what I'm doing, what I'm in the process of doing right now, is putting in these beams right here. I'm putting this in, and I'm gonna put one in here as well. And I'm basically just recreating this box right here, because this is where the AC was. But I need to move the AC unit because I always hit my head on it because I'm really tall. I'm 6'6", and just having it in the kitchen area, I know I'm gonna bump my head on it a lot, and I'm not gonna use it very much. So what I'm gonna do instead is I'm gonna put it over the bed slash table area, and that way it'll be out of the way. I won't hit my head on it. I don't have to worry about it. So that's good. That's what I'm doing right now. And then also I'm gonna add some support on here too. The thing that I'm worried about is the AC unit is super heavy, so I hope that there's enough strength in here. I'm doing what I did on the walls, which is putting in these L brackets, and you know, at least if anything, this will give the ceiling more support too, because these weren't here. It was just these two posts on both sides, which are not very, I mean, that's not very much support for a ceiling. Like, you know, that's a, you know, let's see how big of a gap this is. So that's 5 feet. 5 feet where there is no support in between. That's ridiculous. And this is where my ceiling was caved in the most, which is partly because of the dry rot, mostly because of the dry rot. But I mean, not having that support could have played a huge role in that as well, because that's huge. That's 5 feet with no support. That's a lot. To make you horny? That'll do, donkey. That'll do. Ow! Oh! There's currently no support between these two beams. These ones, here and here, and you can see there and there. I'm attaching the air conditioner right here, and it was right here. And as you can see, these have double the support. It's double. It's not double on this one, and that's what I'm worried about. This one right here is not double. And I'm worried about the weight of the air conditioner because it's super heavy. If you haven't like moved one or picked one up, they're really, really freaking heavy. And so I'm worried about that not being supported. So I attach these every 18 inches. I attach this, and it should be good. Then when I push down, it will go down with it. It'll be supported a lot better. So that's the game plan right now. Just cut my finger. I'm trying to just get this done so I can go to bed. Here we got everything all set up. They're all in there. I only used it on 2 sides. Did it this way. But here's what I'm most excited about. When I push down this part, so this is like the front part of it where I want to put the AC in right here. When I push this down, the whole thing goes down with it. It's not just this part. It's the whole thing. It's much more solid than it was. So that's gonna be huge
just having the support. When I put the AC in there, it's gonna fit flat, and that's a good thing, you know. You want this to not move. I don't want this to break. This thing right here. Fucking put so much pressure on it. I don't want this to stay now. Stay now.
So here's what we're tackling right now. The Skylight. This is acrylic glass, plexiglass sheet. That's where the Skylight's going. Gotta figure out the framing for it. Skylight is right here. I need to figure out where I can end it. But the reason I'm putting in a Skylight is so that I can A, get more light in here, and B, cook while being able to stand up because I'm tall. Inches long. Shit, fuck. I feel like this is worth explaining because if it can help anybody out there, I want to. It was a huge pain in the ass trying to figure out how to do this. So with the L brackets, every single L bracket that I use in the entire trailer, I would tape it on with painter's tape first, tape it in place, and then I would use self-tapping screws to screw it in. Otherwise, it's a real nightmare having to deal with the L bracket just like falling off and whatnot. It works. I keep hitting my head, so I'm just gonna put on my helmet. And you know what? I'm cool with it. I look like a dum-dum. It's in there. Oh. Ooh. There it is. Bada bing, bada boom. Beautiful. This is my homemade track saw. Hopefully it works. I never claimed it would. I'm putting on the roof deck. That's what this is. This is a cutout for the Skylight, and that's a cutout for the roof raise. That's what we're doing. I don't know if I'm doing this right. Probably not, to be honest with you, but I'm doing it anyway. So we got the roof on, well, part of it, the decking, I should say. Looks pretty good, honestly. We got all the lines and everything. This is for all the beams. I'm gonna screw it in, so I know where everything is. Chalk line, and then I gotta cut this out right here, so I can make it the proper length. If you guys need anything cut, just give me a call, because, you know, I'll cut it to perfection. It's gonna look absolutely beautiful every single freaking time. So yeah, just give me a call if you need that. It's your boy, Great Cutter. Hold on, do it again. Yeah. Here it is, here's my roof. Everything is back on. Wow, this is weird. I have a roof again. What do you think, Kelly?
It's was used to don't have a roof.
Yeah, I had a convertible camper and now I have a roof again.
Yeah. It's because it was for the summer.
Yeah, it was nice for the summer.
Yeah.
Super, like, get that good airflow in,
Yeah,
you know?
airflow.
The cross circulation. It's really nice. Gonna miss it, honestly. But I think this will be better for the rain, probably.
Probably.
Yeah.
Alright, dudes, you know the fucking routine. I want you to smash that like button. Smash it, dude. Smash a comment, bro. No, but for real. Thank you for watching the video. And if you like that, do all the YouTube stuff. Hit that subscribe button. Got more videos coming out. I know this one was a day late. I just fell behind. Just kind of messed up. Over anticipated a lot of stuff. But you know what? Better late than never, right? At least I'm somewhat on a schedule. Follow me on Instagram at myhousehaswheels at HILO_pod. And I got big news coming this Sunday, bro. So look out for that. Bye.